In this demonstration, we will use the research tool to run a query and search logs on a specific account. In the left pane, navigate to the Tools section. Click Analysis and select Research. Select Detection Research in the drop-down. Type in a keyword, for example a username, IP address, or hostname. In this example, we will investigate a certain account. Use the filters to narrow the search. In this example, we will select the severity level and the time frame. Click Search. Review the detection details. Click a result to expand logs, view action history, or export the log for further analysis.